We're gonna start with a new vlog today. I'm gonna play basketball for a little bit. And like the video, comment, and subscribe. Right here. Feel me? Wait, I'm gonna get the basketball. Please like the video, views. Oops. That went wrong. I was not expecting that, but okay. We'll go to the front. It's just to chill for a little bit. Sit in the stairs. Put my hoodie. I was thinking about riding dirt bikes or playing basketball, but I just choose to play basketball for a little bit. But let me know in the comments if you want me to play basketball again or ride dirt bikes. I mean, I like basketball, but you let me know if you want me to ride dirt bikes or next time in the next video, if I get at least 1,000 views and like 5 comments. But yeah, let me know in the next video comment if you want me to ride dirt bikes, and trust me, I will. Bye.